Charmin. You like ultra soft or ultra strong? Doesn't matter to you. You gotta indifferent. You gotta pick one. I like ultra strong. Less breakage. Hey, for me, big manly man. You seem like a soft type young lady. There you go, number 8. It's gonna be great in number 8. Hey, bro, I'm gonna be on MySpace and YouTube and Facebook with Charmin. And my mom is gonna see this and say, what in the world are you doing working in the bathroom? And I'm gonna say I'm having an ultra good time with Charmin. Yes, this is where it all goes down. Most of it.
Hopefully, anyway.
Hopefully, it all goes out here, right? Oh yeah, here we go. It's a party, a party, a party, a party. I'm your host, the Pied Piper of Pottiness. United Charmin Armor. Oh yeah.